The first thing we need to have to install Openclaw in our computers is Node.js. You can go search and install it. Once it's done, you can open a terminal and verify it is currently installed with this command npm-b, and when this is good, we can move to another step, that is this command to install Openclaw, npm install g for globally and Openclaw latest. Once it's installed, we need to get the onboarding part. This is some questions about what the things or settings that we need to have in our bot. And the question is, are you sure? Because it's risky. Yes. The Kickstart part, and what is the provider? I will choose Copilot because it's free in some parts. I will show you this later. To link this part, we need to copy this URL and open in a browser. This is Mac, so in my case will be Safari, and I already have a GitHub account. If you don't have, please make sure to create a new one. It's really free. And yes, I put this part, I continue, and I need to write the code for link my own device. 37, yeah, continue. And this is lead me to choose the models that GitHub is running inside. There are models that are paid and models that are free. I want to choose one model that is free, but you can choose whatever you want. The models that are paid are these. This is our model that are paid, and here in about that are the free. I will recommend Grow Code Fast for this type of bots, and this Grok is here in the final of the list. And also we can configure the WhatsApp link with a QR. Easy as that. You choose your phone and scan this QR code. Is preferably that you can have a really separate phone number and not your personal number, but this is at your desire. So yes, the skills, yes, skip for now, and no one of these keys for now. And in this gateway part, you maybe have a pop-up version for a certain permission of the operating system, but here doesn't appear in this video. And hatching TUI, when it's done, we can see here in the terminal something like a chat, but you can also chat with this bot through your WhatsApp when you write to yourself, to keep that in mind. And also this bot have a predefined questions in the first part, so you can answer that or not. It's at your desire. And yeah, this is all. I will show you later in other videos some really good techniques, and yeah, follow me.